Hi, welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. We're going to have a look at the ABUS 8345 aluminium and red coloured padlock. ABUS, to start off with, makes some great padlocks. They make some great security products. They're well known in the industry and well trusted. And for the price, you don't get much better. So this particular padlock here, as you can see it here, this is the typical ABUS brand, 8345 and Z series. Underneath here you can see you have the typical 8 figuration cylinder. This is a standard LW5 key, can be also converted down to an LW4 key if you want to use the 5-pin configuration, or set it to your standard house lock, such as your front door lock. You can have it matching as well. So the keys are well cut, good spring action when you open it, anodised aluminium, nice red colour there. A drain hole there and a drain hole there, allowing you to lubricate the lock. I'll give you some sizes on this particular one here. So we're talking 45mm that direction, 50mm that direction. I believe this, I think it's an 8mm diameter shackle. Clearance here about 24mm. Clearance on the inside here probably about 23mm. That will give you some indication of what sort of chain you can use with it. This is the most standard padlock, so you'll probably find that you can use standard chain and it'll fit most standard applications. So the most important thing is your diameter, where you're putting it through, and of course your clearance here on the chains that you want to link to. These are available from our lock shop at drlock.com.au. These are made in Germany. Great padlock, nice red colour, stands out, good for competitions, padlocks, or competitions, places you want the padlock to be seen. If you want to match your decor, if you're using it inside of retail premises and you want to match a particular colour, we have these in red, green, blue, orange, and that's just to name a few of the colours. For further information, feel free to email us and we can answer all your emails. If you did want this matched to a particular order, you can do that as well. Simply order your locks online and select the button that says Key My Locks Alike. And what we could do is we could send you out deadlocks, rim locks, handle locks, and also padlocks, all working on the same key. For further information, please email. Thanks for watching.